Hello and welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable some of the unnecessary startup apps to make your Windows load up faster. So you might have noticed when you first purchase a computer, it usually loads up much faster, and with time when you install more apps, it starts to get slower. So the reason for that is when you install more apps on your computer, some of those apps start up along with the Windows when you turn on your computer. So that takes more time to load up more apps. So today we're going to look at how we can stop some of those apps so your Windows get loaded faster. So for that, we're going to go to the search bar here and we're going to look for startup. As you type in startup, it shows you the best match here with startup apps. So click on that. And here it gives you all the apps which start up along with your Windows at the time of starting your computer. So here, as you can see, there are different types of impact. There are high impact apps, medium and low impact, and some of these where I have turned those off, it shows no impact. So what you can do is, if you have some of these which you don't want to load up at the startup, let's say I don't want my Steam to load up on the start, I can just turn it off. I can also turn these Adobe ones off if I don't need these. Also Microsoft OneDrive, I don't really want this to load up on startup, so I can turn this off. So we can do all these changes, and once these are done, you can simply click on the X cross button here. And now when you start your computer next time, you will notice the change that it will load much faster than it was before. That's all for today's video. Hope this was helpful and you've enjoyed it. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.